Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you're also fine, taking care of yourself. I'm also fine. Today in this video I am going to show you ideas and designing about crochet and knitting flat shoes and sandals. You can see different sizes and different varieties of crochet and knitting flat shoes and sandals in this my video. They look very beautiful and gorgeous. You can easily buy it from market. Many styles and many varieties are easily available in market, and you can also make it in your own home by using crochet and knitting techniques. You can use different styles of techniques and varieties and stylish look to use by making crochet and knitting flat shoes. They look very gorgeous and pretty. You can also make different styles of sneakers, sandals, and different styles of shoes according to your choice. You can decorate it with different styles by using different styles of materials. You can use different styles of pearls, different styles of stones, different styles of tassels, and different styles of beads to decorate your crochet and knitting flat shoes. You can make in different styles and such as in round up styles and different net styles and many other different lace designs according to your choice. As you know, ballet crochet knitting flats are women's shoes for everyday wears, which are similar to inspired by women's ballet shoes with a very thin appearance for no heel at all. Ballet crochet knitting slippers can be adjusted and tightened to the various foot by means of these strings. And flat shoes are better because link flat feet to knee pains, cartilage damage, and low back pain. Flat shoe best. Crochet knitting flat shoe best for walking rather than having a heel that flares out on each sides and that back. You want a plain heel or on that is cut in that back to allow you to roll when you strike with your heel and roll through at the steps. And then why you can easily walk in these flat shoes. And if you want to make these flat shoes in order, please see the link in my description. Touch the link and contact with us. And if you have any question, please tell me in the comment section. I always available for you, inshallah. Okay viewers, see you later in my next video. Take care, may God bless you. I pray love for your health and wealth. Members me in your prayers. Thanks for supporting us. And okay viewers, thanks and goodbye.